Hi everyone, today I am going to do a DIY herb oil for my hair. The first herb I'm going to use is a teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek is rich in protein and iron, and that is very important for creating a healthy environment for our hair to grow. The next herb I'm going to use is rosemary, and rosemary is good for stimulating blood flow to the scalp, which is essential for our hair to grow healthy, strong. We need that blood supply. This is my all-purpose bottle I'll be using, which is an 8-ounce bottle. The carrier oil I'm going to use is castor oil. I personally love castor oil because it is very thick and it feels so moisturizing to my hair. I have very thick, coarse hair and usually very dry. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to give it a good mix. As you can tell, it's so thick, but I love it that way. If you don't like thick oils, you can use another carrier oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever your oil of choice is. So I'm using the double boiler method, which is essentially just heating up the oil, but not directly in the water. So I'm using my glass measuring cup for that. And I'm just placing it directly into my pot of boiling water, bringing it to a boil. I'm going to give that another good mix. As you can see, it looks way thinner because the temperature of the oil has reached a higher point. And I'm just mixing it around because I want all the good nutrients and everything that's packed in those oils to come out. The herbs to come out. I let that boil for about 10 minutes and I'm taking it out to let it cool. Once it is cool, I am going to be using a strainer to put it into my plastic measuring cup. So obviously the strainer is going to hold back the big chunks of herbs because we don't want that necessarily in our bottle that we're going to oil our hair with. Sometimes it can clog the tip where the oil won't come out. So we want to extract that. I'm using my spoon just to press down to make sure I have all the excess oil that I need inside of the measuring cup. After we're done with that, we're going to simply transfer it over into our all-purpose squeeze bottle, and this is the bottle I will be using to oil my hair with. And I personally like to use the bottles with the tip because it's easy to oil my scalp, get in between braids and things like that. Now this is my trouble area. I had a very bad breakout from what I believe was some braiding hair, which affected the nape of my head and the back of my neck. So I'll be using this oil for a couple of months or so just to see if it will grow my hair back, and I will be keeping you guys updated. Not only am I going to put it on my nape, I'm actually going to put it everywhere, and hopefully I'll be seeing some results soon. So I'll be back with you, and please like, subscribe. If you have any other herbs or suggestions, let me know. Bye.